In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use volumetric nodes with displace modifiers to create this illusion. These meshes were created by Metaballs. This is how they look once the volumetric nodes are applied. Let's create a metaball and Shift-D to duplicate. I'll put them to a new collection. Here are the full nodes. The displacement node won't do much, unless we activate the displacement and bump setting under Materials. This is one way to add the displacement to the mesh, but there's a better way. Let's convert this object to a mesh. I'll add a displace modifier. Please experiment with all available texture types to get the best looking result. Let's add one more displace modifier. Now we can duplicate, move, and rotate the mesh like this. Let's add a background plane. This is not a cloud mesh, as there are spiky displacement artifacts showing. This material can create a mysterious smoky and spiky objects in the scene. Here are my sky texture settings. Here are the full nodes once again. I have used 16 samples to save time. Please use at least 128 to get the best looking result. I didn't use composite nodes for this render. Please save before rendering. What you have seen so far was lost forever, after my Blender froze while rendering and I didn't save this work. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.